Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then tap on Spot. In this spot, you just have to scroll down and then tap on Solana. After selecting Solana, you will be able to see a withdraw button in the bottom. So you need to tap on withdraw and then you need to select the send via crypto network option. As I currently don't have Solana in my account, so I will show you the same. So I will show you the steps on some other coins that I have, but you will have to follow the same steps on Solana. Now, once you have selected the first option, you will be landed on the Send Solana page where you will be asked to provide the address in this section or scan the QR code. So in order to get the address, you need to first launch your Phantom wallet. Now, after launching the Phantom wallet, you just have to log in into your account. On the home page, you will be able to see Solana. So you need to tap on Solana and then you need to tap on the receive button. Then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy the address from here. Then come back to Binance and paste the address in this section. Then it will automatically take the network that you have selected in Phantom wallet. Then you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer and then tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal by following the further on-screen instructions. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.